What is a letter of demand? Pretty good sign that you're about to get sued. Before we get started, a quick legal disclaimer: nothing in this video is legal advice, and it's impossible to know if any general principles I describe could apply to any specific situation in the way discussed without seeking actual legal advice. A letter of demand is a legal document, usually sent by a lawyer, demanding that something that the sender or the party they represent is entitled to at law be done, like, for example, paying back owed money. It will take on the form of a literal letter, usually the type that can actually be posted in the mail, but it can also be done by email. Typically, this sort of letter will precede litigation, and it can be relied upon by the sender to show that they've given the other side a reasonable chance to understand and fulfill their obligations before entering litigation. This is important because in most circumstances, before a party can sue someone, they must also give the person an opportunity to resolve the dispute themselves before they can take it up with the court. At the very least, this ensures that the respondent knows that there is a problem to deal with. Courts don't just want people launching lawsuits if the only reason the defense hasn't done what the applicant wants them to is because there's been no communication and they don't actually know that they need to. This seems silly, I know, but people are silly all the time in court. Letter of demand will usually have the words letter of demand in all caps at the top, which is a pretty good indicator that that is a letter of demand. If you've received one of these in the mail, well, I'd probably consider yourself on notice that a lawsuit is coming. They'll usually lay out the issue that needs to be addressed, how it needs to be addressed, and how long the person has to address it. They may say something to the effect of, "You owe my client this much money, for these reasons, and this much interest, and you have to pay it by this date, or we intend to take you to court and get it back that way." Once a party receives a letter of demand, they can either respond and negotiate, refer the party to a third party in certain circumstances like a trustee in bankruptcy, do nothing and wait for litigation, or just do the requested action to remedy the issue. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see more videos like it, and like and comment to let me know what's working and what I should talk about next.